86, 90, 91st,
91st,
169.
169.
Okay, that's right here. Stay on the line. We're still on the if we can go to 1 max, it's going to happen. There we go. All right, now we've got punched up there now. Okay, you said it was the 91st and 169, so this is right here. That's the area where you're just seeing some power flashes. And notice again, as the radar beam is sweeping back and forth there, again, that's right along that leading edge is where we're seeing those very, very strong winds. Again, right at the apex, if you will, of that bow that continues to push across the area. There across the southern part of Toscana. It's headed right into Broken Arrow. You folks from Broken Arrow seem to be getting those power flashes moving in on you. Here's 51st. This would be where the inflow would be. And what we've seen so far, although we've certainly seen indications of a circulation, we've had no confirmation of anything actually on the ground that would be tornadic. However, it certainly is positioned very strong with Delta. Okay, 111th and Memorial. Okay, here's 101st or 111th and Memorial. This should be back right about here. So we've seen some power flashes back behind this too, as the leading edge, which is moving in on Broken Arrow. Here's the Broken Arrow Expressway. Here's 169. Here's the Turnpike extension right here. There you see 101st, 91st, 71st, 51st. Just give you a few street locations that are down there, so you can get oriented. And again, notice that the radar beam is moving back and forth and having what we call sector scans, so we can look at it very closely, minute by, actually second by second, as the system moves in. And it is definitely moving eastward much more quickly than what we've been seeing earlier. So that's another indication. It certainly has very, very strong winds. Again, no confirmation of an actual tornado on the ground, but certainly a very damaging wind in it. That's right. We're getting a lot of reports out of Broken Arrow too, some of the fire and emergency people having some power issues there. And that's going to be again with all the power flashes, and there's some reports of funnel clouds. Once again, let's take a look at it. Who do we have on right now?
The sirens are sounding in this area right now, but we've seen multiple power flashes. We actually had one right next to the truck about 2 minutes ago. Very bright. I'll say if there is any kind of circulation in here, it is going to be completely rain wrapped and next to impossible to see.
Okay, that makes a lot of sense. And Matt will keep you online there, but thanks. Let's go to you and Warren Max for a minute. And if you punch up Warren Max for us, Rudy, that'd be awesome. There you go. Dick, tell us a little bit more about what you're seeing.
Yeah, Matt makes a good point there. If there's a tornado in that, it probably is rain wrapped, and folks aren't going to be